Talent Search Cymru is back.
No sleep tonight. I wish that I could stop the pain. This hell that keeps me so insane. I've been led astray. What is right and what is wrong? Been looking for the answer for far too long. I'm waiting for someone who understands, waiting for someone to take my hand. I wish that this whole masquerade, this hell that keeps me so afraid, would quickly go away. I never knew life could be like this. My brain's so fuzzy and it's such a twist. It's a freak show. What is right and what is wrong? Been looking for the answer for far too long. Been waiting for someone who understands, waiting for someone who take my hand and to end the pain. What's right? What's wrong? I feel alone. I'm the brain, the pain. What's right? What's wrong? I feel alone. The broken brain, the pain, the shame. Been waiting for someone who understands, waiting for someone to take my hand and to end the pain. Thank you very much.
Well done, Zach. Zoe, what did you think of Zach's performance tonight?
That was just so special and so insane. Like, I can't believe what I just witnessed. I'm so glad you decided to come out here and sing this original rather than the other song you were going to sing.
Yeah.
And like, I'm so glad we got to see your writing skills because they're truly incredible. Like your voice is a talent as it is. Never mind like with your writing skills as well. Like combined, it is insane. The lyrics were incredible, like they were absolutely stunning. Like I really felt that and I really connected to that, and you could see how much this performance meant to you, and it was so beautiful to watch. The backing track was mega with all the backing vocals and that. I was loving it. Like, and the scream note, oh my god, like I just don't believe that you were real. Like it's insane what you do, so just keep doing what you're doing. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Travis?
Is that the first time you performed that song live?
First time ever.
First time ever. Well, first of all, I say this to everyone who does but that was a very special song. I really love that song. And the fact that you wrote it yourself, the lyrics, the instrumental, everything we just heard was full on you. That was a very special moment for you, I think. Vocally exceptional, as per usual. The entire song was a very slow build-up of not only vocals, but emotion. I love the emotional magnitude of that song, like a a very silent to loud scream for help, someone make this pain end. I think it was a perfect representation of what pain really feels like when you suffer with mental health. And I was waiting for that scream note. I was waiting, is he going to do it? He bloody did it, and he did it well, as per. Mate, keep doing what you're doing, and I can easily see you once again. I can easily see you in the final.
Thank you, really appreciate that. Kelly?
That was such an incredible performance, it really was. And the song, because I believe you wrote the track as well as the lyrics and added everything into it. So that's all you, every single thing that we said was you. That's amazing. Is that on Spotify?
No, I haven't
You
released
need
it
to
yet.
get it on Spotify.
ASAP.
Promote yourself as much as you possibly can, Zach, because like I would pay money to come and watch you perform. Like, you know, that's a taster of what you can do. If you had an old album and you were on tour, I would come and watch you. I think people underestimate the amount of emotion that in a rock voice, you've got that raw, my God, that raw passion and I felt that scream note. I felt every single, and that's what that's about. That's what music is about. Everything that you just done there is about what music is. And I think that you were able to reach so many people on such a different level, and that is such a special talent. You really are a special lad, and you need to promote yourself like mad. Get yourself out there, get a band behind you, a live band, put yourself out there, get festivals. Come on, Zach, you need to do this now. You need to be here to do. And when it's on Spotify, please tell me so that I can add it, because I will have that in my car. I will listen to it all the time. Yeah, so please, we pre-order it now. Okay, get it out there. Seriously, get it. It's phenomenal. Amazing.
Thank you very much.
Zach, yeah, it's always like a huge risk when we come up there and perform our originals, because it's like, if people are going to like them, is the standard going to be up and things. I really, really commend you for what you've done tonight, coming out and like lyrically, like there were some really raw parts in there. I wanted to know, like, I don't want it to feel like the screamo is just what you're known for, because you're not.
Yeah.
There's so much more to Zach than just screaming out notes, you know? So I don't want it to feel like you've got to do that on every performance, because you haven't. You could easily come out here and not do a scream, and I would be happy if it's a good song choice. I want you to be aware of that, because I'm getting a bit of a pattern where you may feel like, I've got to do X, that's what's telling me. That's not the truth, right? Even though they're fab, don't feel like you've got to do it all the time, because I don't want you to be known as just that.
Yeah.
I can use phones, guys. Okay, I didn't look at him. I looked over there. Right, no, but in terms of the song, like like I said, I commend you for doing that and stuff. I personally don't feel like it was an amazing song. I felt like the lyrics were fab. There was parts of the vocals that was fab. In the last section, I thought might have been a little bit too much. Like there was too much. Like too much. I was like, whoa, just tell us the words, please. But and that reverts back to the screamo note, what I said, where you don't feel like you've got to do that all the time, because you don't need to do that all the time. But well done, because you came out, you shared something that's personal to you, and that personal message. So I'm hoping that give you something then, because that what I needed to give you was that, do you know what, this story that you've written, you know, that about pain, that's exactly what you need to get from that, and think, do you know what, I've just released something out of my system, because that's what it felt like. It felt like he was really letting go a lot of stuff. I was like, whoa, he's really getting angry there. But it was fab. Well done.
Thank you. Round of applause for them, guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.